prepositions onto versus into.
Leslie, hey, you, can you help us, please? Do you have a big blue box? Okay. That one, yes, that's perfect. Okay. Can you put it so we can see it? Yeah, there we go. Now, do you have a smaller box, maybe? Oh, good, perfect. Okay, now do you have a small toy? There, oh, perfect, a dog. We love dogs. Yes, open the chest and the dog will jump into the chest. There we go, that's perfect. Now, let's see, the dog is going to jump onto the chest. Perfect. Onto the chest. That was very good. Thank you, Leslie. By the way, Leslie, why do you have all these toys? I mean, you're a grown adult, so why do you have little dog toys? Think about it. Yeah, whatever. Bye.
So basically, onto and into mean that they are in movement. So they begin on the box and they move in the direction of the second box when they are on the box or when they are in the box.
So let's review this again. We have a dog that jumps onto the box because he changes from this surface to the second surface. Or a little dog that jumps into the box because he changes from this surface into the secondary surface. Into, onto.
So the idea is a 3D movement where we start in one place, we move in a direction of a secondary place, and then we land in a third place. So we go from, to, in, or on our final destination. Into usually has two other meanings, to be part of or to be interested. An example with to be part of is he divided the family into two groups. So in the groups and to where the people were directed, group 1 or group 2. As I said before, into can also mean that you are interested in something. For example, she's into jazz, or they're into computer programming. This means that they are into or interested in these subjects. One of the questions with onto is the idea that it's physical. The milk spilled onto the floor. So you ask me, why don't you say on the floor? Well, because it traveled from the table to the floor. So there's a 3D dimension to the concept. When you say it is on the floor, it's more of a 2D concept because it's already on the floor. Similar to when a dog catches a scent on a road, you can say that he's onto something because he's literally on the road in the direction of finding his prey. So you can say onto is to be aware of something. When a mind is focused on an idea, I'm onto your criminal actions. That means that I am now aware of your actions.
Hi. Q and I would really like if you would consider checking out some of our books. This is the way we can continue to support our work, and we would really appreciate if you could tell other people about our channel and give us a like. If you want to leave us a question, go ahead. Have a wonderful day. Right? Right.
The links to our beautiful book, Fancy Forever, are in the description down below.